Hey Eric, my name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company here in Greensboro. And one of your employees had spoken with my husband and partner Rob on the phone today. We were doing some research in the area and we came across your website. So we figured we would shoot this short video just giving you a few tips on how you can grow your business online. And like I said, I will keep this short. I'm sure that you are busy. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But if by the end of this video you can tell that we have some tricks up our sleeve that can help grow your business online, and that's something that you'd be interested in doing, please give us a call and we can chat. And if not, no worries at all. Please take these tips that I've given you today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask is if you do have some time and you wouldn't mind, if you can just give me some feedback on this video, let me know if it was educational for you and how I did. So without further ado, we will go ahead and jump in. The three things that I want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we will go ahead and start with content. So content is going to be anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures on your site, what they're saved as, what's behind the pictures. Google does also consider that to be content as well. So these are things too that the search engine can read and kind of get an idea of what services that you offer, the area that you're trying to target, and that will help to position you in the ranking. So having unique authoritative content and enough of it so you can add in those keywords and key phrases is super important when it comes to ranking. So it does look like you guys have a very nice site here. I like the way that everything is set up. It would not be a bad idea to add some more content. It does look like it is lacking a bit in the content, and to Google, content is king. So the more of it, the better chances you all have of being able to, again, add in those keywords, key phrases. That way when people are searching for roof renovations, roof repair, they'll be able to find you very quickly and easily because you'll be at the top of the Google search. I do see that you all have these sub pages as well, which is great. Again, just more of an opportunity to be able to add more content. So that's really all that I have for you as far as that goes. So we'll go ahead and move into the second thing, which is going to be citations. So I did pull up a Google search here of roofing. And the first thing you'll see is this section. This is called the map pack, and citations do have a lot to do with the map pack. So what a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how the heck do I get myself listed in one of those? To put it simply, a directory would be something like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and any other services or pages that are online that allow business owners to add in their business details and services. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high on the maps here, you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed, and you would want to get listed in there as well. You certainly would not just want to stop there either, though. Whatever your competition has, you want to make sure that you have that and then some, and that will help you completely dominate them in this space and be able to rank here. So now that we have covered the content and the citations, we will move on to the last thing, which is backlinks. And that has a lot to do with this section down here underneath the maps. That's called the organic section. And the way backlinks work basically is there's a website out there that has a link to your website. And they're pushing power to it, which is potentially bringing you all more traffic. So not all backlinks are created equal though. For instance, say that you all did a roof renovation for someone who owns an ice cream shop. And that person has decided that they're going to take a link from their website and send it to your website, pushing power to you guys. Or you would think pushing power to you. But because backlinks are not created equal, and because that link will be all about ice cream, unfortunately, it's really not going to do you all any good. You all would want to get links from another roofing company that would send a link back saying, yes, they are a roofing contractor, they're a roofing company, they do roofing renovations, repair, things like that. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique, but it's also relevant to your industry. So I'm looking at one of the tools that I have here. This is called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it is a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me an idea of what's working well for you all and what's working well for your competition as well. And so with this, I can see you guys have 15 referring domains, giving you 61 backlinks, giving you about 92 keywords, and pushing about 12 people to your website each month. And I also pulled up the keywords that you all are being found for as well. And this section here, this is the volume. This is going to be roughly how many searches per month that this particular keyword or key phrase is being searched. So we would want buyer intent keywords, things that people are going to actually be typing into Google when they're looking for your services. So it looks like you all are being found for your business name here, Greensboro Roofing. Looks like you all are in position 18 for that. So that would be second, maybe even top of third page of Google for that one. Renovations Roofing, Roofing Greensboro NC. Looks like the position for that is also 18. Roofing Contractors, Greensboro NC. It looks like you're in position 22 for that. So you all have some good keywords. It just looks like it's just still not pushing up to the top of Google with the backlinks and the citations coming into play as well. So you would just want to make sure that you have, that content on your website so you can put in more of these types of keywords, and that will certainly help you all. I did also pull up one of your competitors here. This was Triad Roofing Services. So it looks like they have 58 referring domains, giving them 629 backlinks, which is getting them found for about 325 keywords and pushing about 158 people to their website per month. And let's look at the keywords that they have going on here. And with the keywords too, it can be, the most buyer intent keyword that you can think of, but if there's just not enough search volume for that word, unfortunately, it's really not going to do you much good. So like they have, looks like roof gutter, that has a very high volume, and they're in position 1 for that. Greensboro Roofing, that has a good high volume too. They're in position 8 for that. Greensboro Roofing Company, Gutters, Greensboro NC, Roofing Contractors, Roofing Companies, and so on. So it does look like they have a lot of keywords. They have a lot of helpful keywords and a lot of keywords that have a high search volume that they're ranking pretty high for. So essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And just like everything else, you don't just want to stop there. Whatever they have, whether it's citations, backlinks, keywords, you want to make sure that you're getting what they have and then you're adding more to it. But that is pretty much all that I have for you. I hope that this video has, again, been educational for you. And if you'd like to know more about how Duff Digital Marketing can help grow your business online, give us a call and we can chat. And like I said, if not, no worries at all. I hope that you're able to use these tips. And if you do have time and you wouldn't mind, if you could just give me some feedback on this video, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and you all have a great day.